Alright, so I'm out in the garden today and I'm building a compost bin for, I would like to do a hot compost, and I'm using stuff that has been laying around the house for the past couple years. Using some logs that I had laying around. I don't have a whole bunch of wood. This is about the extent of the wood. I might have to try and scrounge some more. Some of that was left over from our barn. This we got from a barn that got torn down and an old train station. So just using what I got. Other than the nails, everything is being reused. I got all these cut down to 3 foot, and I have these in 3 foot sections. So then there's going to be three 3x3 bins. Alright, I got a nice little outdoorsy style going. I'm gonna build the center sections and figure out what I'm gonna do for the doors. But it's coming out pretty good. A little crooked, but it's coming. Alright, so I cut all my boards the wrong length. I need 34.5. Basically just take the width of a 2x4 off. So I cut them all an inch too big. So get through that again. In the meantime, I found some hostas growing in the grass. Check these out. Oh, baby hosta leaves. Alright, the rest of my work is gonna be done with the chainsaw. I had to do some improvising over here. As you can see, I ran out of 2x4s. All my other work should be done with the chainsaw. We're gonna kind of use sticks as guides and use that for our boards. All right, I'm just trying to figure this out as I go. I did the one side, so I'm gonna do this side now and kind of explain what I did. So I kind of got my boards set up how I want them. Okay, kind of in line with that, and then enough room to put a branch here because I ran out of 2x4s. So I'm gonna use this one for my backer to hold it in place. So I'm gonna go ahead and screw that in. Just doing 2 screws, one on the top and then one on the bottom. I'll probably just leave the bottom loose for a minute. Yeah, that's good. And then I got another one here. I'm going to use it for the back side of these boards. That's pretty good. I'm gonna do the front side, so I'm gonna build this up some more. And I'm gonna find some boards here. Let's see. Doesn't have to be much, just enough to hold it in. That one's a little bit. Okay. That's about perfect. So go here, get a screw, line it up decent, maybe like that. We're just gonna put a screw in where it makes sense. Get back. And I want it 5 tall, so let's steal this one. Work there. And all right, so now we can slide these in and out. And we can build up our compost. But I'm gonna get the last one done. I'm gonna put little caps on the ends of these so it looks a little bit better. And yeah, I won't have enough of these boards, so I'll have to scrounge something up and go from there. Okay, here it is. Not the prettiest thing, but it should work. So next I get to load it up. I'm gonna do one, and then once I turn them, it'll go to the next, and then the next, and then try and keep them going. But for the top, I think I'm gonna leave those for now. I want to do I don't know if I want to try and do a huge flower out of like little saplings. I think that'd be kind of cool. And then some kind of vining flower. So should work good. Really had to scrounge up some wood for this front part. So should work pretty good though. All right, next will be on composting. All right, if you like this kind of stuff, give me a follow. I'm trying to, at this point, determine if I want to do this. And I do a lot of projects around the house, around the garage. I like doing the woodworking in the barn, anything from that. I've done electrical in our bigger barn. Just fun little house projects. Last year, me and my mom and my dad went and picked up a pool, and then me and my mom and dad put it back together at our house. This year we'll probably be putting a deck and trying to do some fun things in the yard. So if you like this stuff, give me a follow, and until next time, thanks.